Looking for an awesome 5G smartphone under $200? Then the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G might just be your perfect pick. As the successor to the Galaxy A16 5G, this phone packs better features, blazing fast performance, and long-lasting battery life, all without breaking the bank. If you're excited to grab this powerhouse, make sure to watch till the end, because today, we're diving deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Display and design. The Samsung Galaxy A17 5G flaunts a 6.65-inch Full HD Plus LCD display, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and scrolling through social media without any lag. Plus, it comes with a 240Hz touch sampling rate, making the screen super responsive. For protection, it has Gorilla Glass 5 to guard against scratches and accidental drops. And yes, it also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. Camera setup. This phone boasts a 50-megapixel primary camera for crisp, detailed shots, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera for stunning wide-angle and close-up photos. And selfie lovers, rejoice! There's a 32-megapixel front camera, for flawless selfies and smooth video calls. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A17 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1380 processor, handling heavy gaming and multitasking like a champ. It also supports 5G connectivity, so you're future-proof for ultra-fast internet speeds. And running on Android 16 with One UI 6.1, this phone delivers a smooth and clean user experience. Battery and charging. Fueling this beast is a massive 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day. And with 25-watt fast charging, you can juice it up in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price starts around $200. And as for the launch date, mark your calendars because this phone is likely to hit the market by late 2025.